Hello friends, welcome to Holy Trinity Academy. I am Tommy Dominic. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notifications on my latest videos. Today we are going to discuss about DMIT, Dermatographics Multiple Intelligence Analysis Test. So in today's busy life, one of the major concern for many parents is the future of their child as well as their career choice. That means the parents have a lot of apprehensions about their children's future and as well as their career choice. Unfortunately, because of the education system in our country, many of us are forced to take a decision about our career choice quite early in our life and follow the steps of others without actually evaluating our potentialities, our aptitude, the financial soundness that we are going to gain from the choice of a particular career, etc. The streams we choose to study, that should actually lead us to a career that we aspire for. The choice we make, which will decide our life in terms of streams of study, career and means of livelihood. So making the right choice at the right time, that is very, very important. By considering the taste of the student, his or her skills and aptitude, etc. So actually the aptitude should be verified. Students must enjoy studying and enjoy working. Otherwise, at the end of the day, what we see or hear is most of the students, they quit their studies or employees quit their jobs and later they move on to the areas of their own interest because the area they have chosen earlier is not providing any inner satisfaction for them. So under this scenario, the scientific and medically proven technique like DMIT and segmented test is gaining popularity and is now the buzzword or the viral concept in the field of human resource, in the field of education, sports, etc. So let us discuss today about DMIT and its importance in this video. If you are ready, here we begin. So we all know that every child is a born genius and it is the parent responsibility to find what are the inborn abilities in a child. For that, we can use the scientific technique DMIT. So actually DMIT is discovering the brains. It is actually discovering the brains. It is actually trying to find out what are your children's area of interest. What are your children's area of interest? Or it is actually finding out what is the uniqueness of your child's brain. Whether your child is possessing a left-oriented brain, that is logical brain, or whether he is possessing or she is possessing a right-oriented brain which is creative in nature. So which type of brain your child is possessing, whether he is analytical in nature, which stream of study, whether science, accountancy or the arts, which stream of study is better for him, all these we get revived through this analysis, the MIT analysis. It also helps us to choose the career scientifically, what stream of study the student should choose and in which career he should go. That we can identify whether he should go for history or he should choose economics or he should pursue a career in law or psychology, that we can easily identify. For example, so after the analysis, if it shows that the linguistic intelligence of a child is high, definitely the child has to choose a career in any one of these fields. One is he can either be an author or he can go for journalism or become a journalist or he can be a poet, a playwright, a typist, novelist, teacher, or a comedian, or an orator, or an actor, or a newsreader, a radio announcer, anchor, speech pathologist, etc., etc. So most of us love our child, love your child. Most of you love your child. But my question is, do you know him thoroughly? That is my question. Do you know him thoroughly? So how will you feel if there is a scientific report that tells you 10 facts about your child? For example, this report, the MIT report, will tell you about his personality type, whether the student or the child is dominant one, influential, investigative, or steady. So this helps us to understand our child better and accept him the way he is or she is. Again, his best learning style, whether he is a visual learner, is an auditory learner, or kinesthetic learner, this helps us to teach him the way he learns best for better efficiency. Again, we can identify his quotients, like whether what is his intelligence quotient, what is his emotional quotient, creative quotient, adversity quotient, etc. It also reveals as his age multiple intelligence, like interpersonal skills, intrapersonal skills, logical ability, visual memory, gross and fine motor skills, observation skills, language learning ability, and more, which help us to select the best career option, his strength areas, his weak areas in acquiring methods, and options of his best career selection, all in a single self-explanatory DMIT report of 69 pages from Singapore. So this is done by scanning the fingerprints of both the hands. So let's see what is DMIT. Dermatographics Multiple Intelligence Test. So it's based on multiple intelligence theory propounded by Dr. Howard Gardner. So this is a scientifically proven technique that will help you discover your child as if you have never known him. So DMIT is a biometric analysis of the fingerprints developed by scientists, medical experts, and based on genetics, embryology, dermatographics, neuroscience, through methods of observation, recording, comparison, and summarization. Medical experts confirmed that fingerprints provide accurate analysis of a person's inborn talent. So let us see how this DMIT process we carry out. The first thing is the client has to call or make an inquiry with the company. And second step, we'll come to your doorstep for service. We come over there and take the fingerprints for analysis. And after that, we'll go for report generation. And once the report is ready, that will be emailed to your mail ID. And then we'll call you at your free time for a free counseling. That is, our representatives will do the free counseling. And at that time, we'll explain the report in detail to you so that you will get a full idea about your child so that you can become a happy Holy Trinity customer. So DMIT actually saves money by revealing to you your child's inborn talents, intelligence, personality, acquiring and learning style. And it also helps parents to nurture their children's full potential based on their personality strength and weakness. So it provides you a way to add on their area of interest. So in my view, spending on DMIT, that is not an expenditure. It is actually an investment. So I strongly believe that it is a huge saving for all the parents. But it all depends upon the efficiency of a person or a company you are dealing with. So this is a once in a lifetime report that is 90% correct and can be done at your doorstep. So please SMS or WhatsApp your email ID so that we can send you a sample of the same, and we shall call you back a day after to answer any query that you may have. So thanks for your valuable time. I'm waiting your email ID. Email to holytrinity6101@gmail.com or tommyvalumanel@gmail.com. or you can WhatsApp or SMS to Tommy to my mobile number 93870199943. College Trinity DMIT Career Counseling Center, Kathirapalli, Kottayam. So there are some questions that may pop up in your mind. So these are some frequently asked questions from our clients. So I will give a brief idea about these aspects. So one of the major frequently asked questions, or very often the client asks these questions. The first question they ask is what is the cost of your report? So each report costs about 5,000 rupees. However, we are offering it at rupees 3,500 only. So this report is given in PDF format, and the experts will do the counseling over telephone. Now the next question that may come in your mind is, will you retain the fingerprints with you? The fingerprints are automatically deleted post report generation. And next question is it approved by medical authorities? So this is a science and not approved by any authorities. And is it like a palmistry or astrology? You can say so, but it's far more accurate and based on neuroscience, anthropology, psychology, and more. Now the last question that may comes in your mind, can it be done for adults? Yes, of course it can be done for anyone above 6 months of age, but kids get best benefits out of it as it guides them for career selection and help them develop their abilities. So thank you all.